Hello everybody. Today's lesson is related to months. You know months. How many months are there? There are 12 months. Now 12 months make one what? 12 months make one year. And here is a reminder of months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Now, when we divide a year by 12, we get 12 months. How about when we divide a year by 4? When we divide a year by 4, we get one season. So in 1 year, there are 4 seasons. Here is the first season. It is called winter. Now, how about the months? For how many months does winter last? Winter lasts for 3 months. What are they? They are December, January, and February. Okay? Now, the next season, the following season is called spring. And of course, it lasts for 3 months. What are those months? The months are March, April, and May. Okay, let's move on to the next season. It's called summer. Summer lasts also for 3 months, and the 3 months of summer are June, July, and August. And finally, the 4th season, and it is called fall. It stays for 3 months also, and the months are September, October, and November. And by the way, the fall has 2 names. Some people call it autumn. It has 2 names, fall or autumn. So these are the 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and fall. This is a reminder about the seasons and their months and what they look like. Now let's watch a little clip about the cycle of the 4 seasons throughout the year. And here it is. The season here is of course summer. You can see that the tree is green. In the summer, the days are really hot. The temperature is high. People go to the beach. They have vacations. And high temperature makes the trees dry. And soon we move on to fall. The trees start losing their leaves, and the students go back to school in September. It starts getting cold. And then we move on to winter. It snows in the winter. You can see that it's snowing. Also rain comes down, so heavy rain. The days are really cold. But that leads to spring, and flowers blossoming, and the weather getting better and better with the months. That's it.